Alright guys, this is Jason with the Primal Outdoors channel. I am here at Overland Expo 2019. I'm actually at the Jackery booth here. You guys know I've been using the Jackery pretty heavily on the channel to keep my cameras recharged and use my laptop for editing. I'm with Seth with Jackery, and he's going to talk about a couple of the products that I use and a few of the other products that they have available.
Thanks, Jason. Thanks for coming. So I'm Seth. I'm here with Jackery at the Overland Expo. We are demoing 3 different major products here, one of which is the 240, which I'm sure you guys have seen on Jason's channel. We also have the 440, which is its bigger brother, and we're showing off the 60-watt foldable solar panel that goes with the 240. The 240 is the smaller of the 2 units. It has a 200-watt pure sine wave inverter continuous and a 300-watt peak. It's got 16.8 amp hours of battery, 2 USB ports, and a 12-volt, so it'll take care of all of your basic power camping needs from a tent all the way through a van. This guy will run a CPAP for 5 hours. It'll run a fridge for about 3.5, and I've had it even on a portable air compressor so you can fill up Jeep tires on it. And then we got the 440 over here, which is basically the upscaled version of the 240. It's about twice the power, both on the inverter and on the battery pack size. It's got a 300-watt pure sine wave inverter and a 500-watt peak on that. It's got a 24 amp hour battery. It's got 3 USB ports instead of 2, and it's got a 12-volt output plug.
All right, so on the 240, how can you charge? What's the different methods for charging the 240?
So the 240 can charge with our 60-watt solar panel, and it also comes with an AC charger to charge with a household outlet or a generator, or a DC charger to charge with a car cigarette lighter socket.
Now, what about the 440? How can you recharge it?
And the 440 charges with the same methods. It's going to have a 100-watt solar panel we're coming out with in about a month. It's not on the market yet, but look for it in about 3 weeks to a month, and it'll be able to charge with solar power as well.
All right, great. So you already mentioned that this one can do a CPAP for 5 hours. This one can do it all. This one can
all
do
night,
it all night.
9 hours.
And then you're saying that this one can do a refrigerator for about 3 hours.
3.5 hours versus 6 or 7.
6 or 7 on this one. So this one, if you were looking for a cheap dual battery system for your vehicle, this would probably be the one I would go with. As far as size-wise. Now, on this one here, I know you can, so you're saying the solar panel, the cigarette lighter plug, and a AC one.
Yep.
This one does not have a cigarette lighter plug.
Does not come with a cigarette lighter plug.
So this one can only be charged via the new solar panel coming out, and it's
AC standard 110 outlet.
Yeah, AC standard 110 outlet. So anyways, like I said, I've been using the 240s pretty heavily. Mainly I use the 240s because I do need to use the cigarette lighter plug in my truck, because I'm not really ever where there's AC power. So I'm always using the cigarette lighter plug. But if you are looking for a one that you can, if you're going out for the weekend, you can charge this one up, take off with this one. This one would probably be a good option. But anyways, thank you guys for working with the channel. And like I say, great products. I've been using them heavily. If you guys are interested, make sure to check out Jackery's website. Also check the description of this video for any sales that might possibly be going on. And we'll see you guys again outside.